Today I am going to explain very unique topic, that how the food will replaces many synthetic medications. As you know that Dr. B.M. Megde is a very famous allopathic doctor, was chancellor in one of the most reputed medical college, and also he was studied in Madras Medical College and again in US, and he always says that one should leave particularly the statins, cholesterol tablets, blood thinners and other supplements, because he says that in the food everything it is there, but we are not having faith on the food. Secondly, particularly if consistently, if anybody takes cholesterol tablets, for them definitely one or another day diabetes will come. If the persons who are having both diabetes and heart patients, if they are taking statins and blood thinners and gastric tablets, they never going to get any control of this diabetes. And the same principles I have adapted in my Food is the Medicine, wherein I will explain what are all the foods which are in the house which will supplement different synthetic medications as well as other supplements. Let us come to the first, the foremost important, the food, what we call raw vegetable juice and banana stem juice. Here also, when you hear raw vegetable juice, it doesn't mean that we can go and prepare any vegetables and take, wherein sometime it may adversely affect also. Here I have defined in a very meticulous manner for raw vegetable juice, that is B3 and C4 with one, whatever the fruits which you likes, that can be added. What is a B3? Beetroot, bottle gourd, beetle vine. Then C4, carrot, cabbage, celery or coriander and cucumber. Two fruits, either apple or pineapple. Now suddenly the diabetes patients will feel that, my God, I am having diabetes, I should not take beetroot. No, it is a fructose based and natural one and easily digestible. And once you consume it, number one, acting as a prebiotic to the gut microbes. Secondly, it will nourish the cells. Thirdly, this will normalize the cholesterol in the body. And in a month, you will see the sea changes. And 100% it will going to act as a both cholesterol normalizing as well as blood thinning effect. Similarly, banana stem juice also helpful for supplementing these things. And also banana stem juice will helpful in removal of kidney stone and gallbladder stone. Next, baked fish, which is having easily digestible protein, plus it's having the calcium and omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids, and also it's having many minerals, and it's easily digestible protein for the kidney. No need to take the protein powder and all for the kidney when they are undergoing treatment, especially chronic kidney disease patients or acute renal failure patients. And for vegetarians, similarly, this baked mushrooms is having same that minerals and proteins, etc. And coriander soup, that will act like a diuretic tablets. Such a very important dish. Again, the fish, which is having vitamin D also, and also which is having sodium content also. So like that. And now we'll come down to the leafy vegetables. Many people are advocating, especially nephro-dietitians, one should not use leafy vegetables and fish for the chronic kidney patients. No, it's very, very important. Leafy vegetables are having highest calcium content, minerals, and micro and macronutrients. And the only thing is, after boiling with all the vegetables or all the spices and green chilies and garlic, ginger and black pepper, coriander and all, after boiling, the released water should be taken out. So for the remaining, once you give tempering with a little oil, then it will give very good taste. And the thing is, they have to put 1 gram salt only for each meal. And secondly, in earlier talk also I told that one should not prepare separately for the patient, whether leafy vegetable preparations or vegetable preparations. In vegetables also, all these, as I told you, that calcium, minerals, micro and macronutrients are available. And in fermented rice, highest vitamin B12 is available. And now in flax diet, enormous omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids and lignans and many antioxidants are available. So that's why if they religiously take all these diets, 100% they can drop these tablets the day one itself with their family doctor's consultation. And in a month, they will see the sea changes in their blood parameters. That is the power of, food. Food is the medicine. The father of Ayurveda, Charaka, also says that ahar-i paramaushadam. In the sense, food is the utmost, prime medicine. Hippocrates also says that food is the medicine. So that's why you should have faith on your body, faith on the food, and you should try to follow. And your body is like your baby. You should nourish your baby. You should protect your baby. Then only your Atma will be with you. Otherwise, it will not be. Even sometimes body is also not going to be with you with the machines or with the doctors. So that's why religiously you should follow. Thank you.